Singapore is an Asian financial hub with numerous investment alternatives, including mutual funds. Mutual funds are popular with investors due to their diversification and competent management. In this video, we'll examine some of Singapore's largest mutual funds, investigating what sets them apart and why they might be worth considering for your investment portfolio. 1. LionGlobal Infinity Global Stock Index Fund. The LionGlobal Infinity Global Stock Index Fund is among Singapore's largest and most popular mutual funds. This fund seeks to mirror the performance of the MSCI World Index, which includes a wide selection of worldwide companies from various industries. It exposes investors to international markets, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking to diversify beyond Singapore. The fund is noted for its cheap fees and high performance, making it a wonderful option for long-term investors. 2. UOB United SGD Fund. The UOB United SGD Fund is Singapore's top-performing bond fund. UOB Asset Management manages this fund, primarily investing in high-quality Singapore-dollar-denominated bonds issued by governments, statutory bodies and enterprises. The fund is intended to provide investors with predictable income and capital preservation, making it an appealing alternative for conservative investors who value safety and consistent returns. Its stable performance and minimal volatility have made it a favorite choice among income-seeking investors. 3. Schroeders Asian Growth Fund. The Schroeder Asian Growth Fund is one of Singapore's largest equity funds, focusing on growth possibilities in Asia-Pacific. The fund invests in companies from various industries in countries such as China, India, and South Korea. The Schroeder Asian Development Fund, which strongly emphasizes companies with significant development potential, is suitable for investors wishing to capitalize on Asia's dynamic and quickly rising economies. The fund's active management methodology enables it to capitalize on growing regional trends and opportunities. 4. DBS Sharia China Growth Fund. The DBS Sharia China Growth Fund is one of Singapore's largest and most recognized Sharia-compliant investment funds. This fund invests in Chinese companies that follow Islamic values, emphasizing technology, healthcare, and consumer products. The fund's growth-oriented strategy focuses on companies projected to gain from China's economic progress. Its distinct focus on Sharia compliance and growth potential makes it an appealing choice for ethical investors. 5. Nikoam Singapore STI ETF. The Nikoam Singapore STI ETF is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the top 30 Singapore exchange businesses, known as the Straits Times Index, STI. As one of Singapore's largest and most well-known funds, the Nikoam Singapore STI ETF offers investors extensive exposure to the Singaporean market. The fund's low expense ratio and passive management strategy make it an appealing choice for investors looking to invest in the local market for a cheap cost. 6. Aberdeen Standard Pacific Equity Fund. The Aberdeen Standard Pacific Equity Fund is another well-known equity fund in Singapore, with exposure to companies throughout Asia-Pacific. Aberdeen Standard Investments manages the fund, focusing on high-quality firms with good foundations and growth potential. The fund's successful track record is partly due to its rigorous research methodology and disciplined investment technique. This fund may appeal to investors seeking quality-oriented exposure to Asia-Pacific equities. 7. Philip Singapore Real Estate Income Fund. Real estate is an important business in Singapore, and the Philip Singapore Real Estate Income Fund is one of its major funds. The fund invests in real estate investment trusts, REITs, and property-related securities, exposing investors to Singapore's income-generating real estate sector and the Asia-Pacific region. The fund's emphasis on income production and capital appreciation makes it an appealing choice for investors seeking consistent returns on real estate assets. 8. First State Dividend Advantage Funds. The First State Dividend Advantage Fund is a well-known equity income fund that invests in firms with a solid dividend history. The fund invests in high-quality firms throughout Asia-Pacific, including Australia and New Zealand. Its emphasis on dividend-paying stocks makes it an appealing choice for investors looking for consistent income, while benefiting from capital appreciation. The fund's long-term performance and income-generating potential have made it a popular choice for income-oriented investors. 9. OCCBC Global Equity Funds. The OCCBC Global Equity Fund is a large-cap equity fund that invests in top firms worldwide. OCCBC Asset Management manages the fund, which seeks capital growth through investments in a diverse portfolio of worldwide stocks. Its emphasis on large, established companies with high growth prospects makes it an excellent choice for investors seeking worldwide diversification. A disciplined investment process and a concentration on high-quality firms help the fund perform well. 10. Allianz Income and Growth Fund. The Alliance Income and Growth Fund is a balanced fund that aims to deliver income and capital appreciation. It invests in a diverse portfolio of equities, high-yield bonds and convertible securities, particularly in the United States market. Allianz Global Investors manages the fund, aiming to deliver a consistent income stream while simultaneously investing in the equities market's growth potential. Its balanced strategy makes it ideal for investors seeking income and growth potential. These mutual funds are among Singapore's largest and most popular investment options. Each fund provides distinct advantages, whether you seek exposure to global markets, income creation, or growth potential. Understanding the qualities and strengths of these top mutual funds will help you make informed investing decisions and create a well-diversified portfolio that corresponds with your financial objectives. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.